it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I just received my Ipsy Extra for the month of July. This is gifted from Ipsy, and I do have an affiliated link if you did want to sign up. I do earn a small commission if you do sign up using that link. I'll pop all of our deets right here, and we're gonna dive in. I have received Ipsy, especially the OG one, the original one, since March of 2015, so for a very, very long time. And I have always said that I feel like you get a great bang for your buck. I think it's a wonderful value. I'm a huge fan of subscription boxes, subscription services, mystery boxes, things like that, because I think they're a wonderful value. I think they're a great way to like build a collection if that's what you're trying to do. I think it's a wonderful way to dip your toes if you're new to kind of the beauty spectrum. And then it's a great way to try and test a ton of different brands without breaking the bank, so to speak. Each month we have now a bag. They did away with the bags for quite some time, and then last month they brought them back. I feel like this looks like a cool beach towel. That's probably the vibe that they were going for. I think it is really cool, and I do like to get stuff like these. I do have a resale group over on my Facebook. I do a ton of giveaways and stuff like that, and it's just something cute to kind of add in with a giveaway prize or whatever the case may be. We also get an informative pamphlet each and every single month with our theming. Ipsy for July 2026 is the passport to play. Vacation mode on. Whether you're jet setting or staying put, your routine just got a summer upgrade. We do have pertinent information, dates, and things like that as well. And then you will generally get a QR code to scan to get all of the information about your products and stuff like that. What I like to see, first of all, I want to see a palette in every single box, in every single subscription. That's just important to me. I feel like kind of old school BoxyCharm, that was a big selling point for a lot of us. I want to see some form of a palette in my bag. I also want to see summer items. If a box or a bag, a subscription, whatever the case may be, if it's claiming to be winter, fall, summer, spring, I want products that correlate to that season. Hopefully that makes sense. Alrighty, first up, and keep in mind we get 5 full-size items here. This is heavy, whatever it is. This is the Earth Harbor Siren Silk Bio Retinol Hydration Cream with sea retinol and colloidal oatmeal. And it is nice and heavy and weighted. I have tried quite a few products from Earth Harbor. I am a fan of their products. It is in a beautiful glass bottle. Next up, from Purlisse, we have the AHA and PHA Flash Facial Exfoliating Mask. It says AHA and PHA with kiwi enzymes, exfoliates your skin, brightens and evens your skin tone. I will note, if you are new to these types of products, whether it is a chemical or physical exfoliant, you want to err on the side of caution, take a less is more approach, start slow, start with 1 time a week, and kind of work from there. A really good tip for products like these and actives, retinols, things like that, you definitely want to protect your skin the following day or after you've used it with some good sun protection. Just noting it for y'all. Next up is the Lovecraft Beauty Tubular Lip Tint, Tubular, and the Cassette Crush. I do love lip tints. I'm actually wearing a lip liner tint with some gloss on top, and I love the look. I've also been going like quite soft on my actual makeup and my eyes and stuff like that, and just doing like a pop on the lips. I'm loving that for right now. That is what the actual packaging is looking like. And that is kind of very standard for the traditional kind of lip tint pens that are out right now. My favorite ones, and I've been testing a ton, I will also test this and let you know, but oh my gosh, it's on there. My favorite ones are from Huda Beauty. I received some in PR and I've repurchased them myself. I wear them all the time. I absolutely love them. So I'm loving this thus far. Next up, something else very heavy. This is the Drunk Elephant, the DeBronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. And it says with cocoa extract peptides. I'm not seeing a shade, so I think these maybe just come in one shade. Y'all can correct me if you know differently. I have tested these before, and I really do like them. I like products like these more specifically for the summer season. And these are amazing to wear pre-makeup. I like to use these as just kind of a little bit of a glowy base for underneath of makeup. You can wear them by themselves. You can do a little kiss of foundation or a skin tint or something like that, and then put this on the like higher planes of the face to just add a little bit of like a bronzy glow. So I like products like that as well. And I do think I'm feeling a palette, which makes me happy, and one that we don't have and one that's new. Okay, Ipsy, you did that, honey. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Princesa del Caribe, and that is their latest release, I do believe, you guys. And I actually was thinking about picking this up, so I'm even more excited. Gonna give it a 5 out of 5 for sure. Love the packaging. That is so pretty. Their last palette that I had, like their newest one before this, the Nudes palette, absolutely blew my socks off. Like their formula and stuff now is incredible. I like that this is a little bit smaller. It is definitely springy, summery. We've got some color and stuff like that. I will do some swatches for you guys. If you guys would like to see a look with this palette, please let me know, and I will come back and like try to do a shorts or something like that for you guys. If I didn't already have makeup on my face, then I would try to do a look right now. But yeah, the other palette that I had from them, I raved about it. I purchased quite a few from the drop shop and put them in my resale group. They did well, and the beauties that have purchased them, they loved it as well. So yeah, I think they have a really, really nice, consistent, and very beginner friendly formula. Oh yeah, I am excited as heck. Let me break that down one more time. We got our Alamar Cosmetics, the new release, the Princesa del Caribe. We got our Drunk Elephant, the Debronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. We got the Tubular Lip Tint in Cassette Crush from Lovecraft Beauty. I use these every single day, even if I'm not wearing makeup, just to like reshape my lips because they're uneven. I love this. I love, love, love this. I also like that we're kind of building upon a full summer face, if you will. Then we got our exfoliating mask from Pure Lease, as well as our Earth Harbor Siren Silk Hydration Cream. So we're hydrating our skin, we're exfoliating and stuff like that, and then we have a couple of makeup products. Round of applause, Ipsy. I love this. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. Like I said, I'd like to know what you guys thought. Also, do not forget that today, on the 1st, from the 1st to the 3rd, you can go in and make your choices. And once you do, I'd love for you to come back here and let me know what you chose. Let me know what choices you picked. You do get to pick 3 items in your extra. Again, a phenomenal value in my personal opinion. Yeah, I'd like to know what you guys thought. I hope you guys are well. I hope you're having the most amazing summer. Do you have any plans, vacations, cruises, anything like that going on? I'd love to know. Comment down below. Thank you, beauties, so much for joining. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can share the videos out, you can hype them up, you can tap the bell so you never miss any of my videos, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I also, if you go to the previous video, have an 8,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so I hope you'll hop on over to that video and you'll enter. Good luck if you do enter. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. I am a fan of mystery boxes, subscription boxes, things like that, because for me personally, I see a lot of value in terms of I am somebody that really appreciates and loves getting subscription boxes, mystery boxes, things like that, because I feel like it is a great value. I think for rough